So, hello everybody, and this is the birthday of PC Elegance. It's 1 year. 1 year ago at this date, on 19th of May, I published my first video. And the previous day, 18th of May, I registered the channels. And guys, I want to say thank you to everybody. This is not a prepared video. I don't have any text with me. I just want to thank all of you and to thank you for your support. Every subscription, every comment, every like, every time you supported me. It's all with your help. I'm here. I'm right here at the birthday of the channel in Taipei, in Taiwan. And behind me, this is the Computex exhibition. It's amazing. For just 1 year, the idea that started as the joke, as the fun, as something that I did only for myself to show what I can do, and it brought me here for 1 year with your support, with your amazing support. I want to thank all of you. I want to thank also my partners of the channel, especially those guys that noticed me from the very first video, like Kingston Christian, Gamdias David, Raging Tech Tony, and many other guys. Your support was absolutely amazing. Be Quiet, Manuel, Nocto Attila, and many others. Sorry, I have not prepared the long list for this, but it's such a pleasure to do this, what I'm doing. My life totally changed with this channel, again with your support. So please celebrate with me today, watch other videos, and it's 24,000 of you on my channel. Let's do this week 25,000. It would be amazing if you could help. If you're still not subscribed, I would be really appreciated for this. I hope you will have great evening today. I'm going to the first party today. It's really interesting. My first party in Taiwan. I hope it will be nice. Some brand that will bring something new to our channel. And also I will do, when I can come back from here, I will do the series, some series of videos of what I have seen, something new that probably may appear in my builds on our channel. So guys, stay with me, let's build some more amazing PCs. Thank you so much one more time for being with us. Bye bye.